G'day guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new episode. I hope you guys are doing well. I've got exciting news. CubeSpeed has sponsored the R33. They have sent me their t-shirt right here. It's so sick. I love this material in the black color. And they sent me their premium short shifter kit. So what that means is we're going to take out my OEM shifter and replace it with CubeSpeed's premium short shifter. I'm going to show you guys how to save 10% on that as well, but quickly I'll talk about what's going on with this. See how there's a lot of throw right here? We've got two side springs that we can replace with, so it reduces the throw. And then going into first to second, you'll see how much throw there is right there. Look at that, third to fourth and then to fifth. There is a lot of play. And when you're out doing skids, this shakes around as well. So this is gonna reduce that. And this kit right here is gonna make the gear changing a lot shorter as well. So this will probably be first, then to second, then to third, then to fourth, instead of going all the way there and then all the way down here. So thank you guys at cubespeed.com.au. Make sure to grab your premium kit. I'll show you guys how to save 10% off your next purchase. And a big thanks to CubeSpeed for giving me a promo code so you guys can save 10% off your next purchase on their website. So make sure to make an order for your car. Get yourself a premium short shifter kit. Use the promo code CKJ10 and you'll save yourself 10% off. So let's go install this in my car and see how it feels with the new short shifter kit. This is everything you get in the kit. So like the short shifter, the adapter for that to go there, all the bolts and screws, the side bits I was talking about for the side of the gearbox, so you use the spring to reduce the play in the sides. Also comes with the instruction manual, very helpful. Pretty much has all pictures with the words which you want with instruction manuals. I hate instruction manuals that just have words and speak gibberish. This is all pretty straightforward photos with what they say, so hell yeah to that. Side bit where the spring goes into, so that cap sits over there, so it reduces the play as I said. So hell yeah to that. Premium quality products, man. Like look at that. That is sick. I can't wait to install this in my car. So this is the shifter they sent me. So it's got the silver logo. That is pretty dope. That is mad. I like that. It's gonna make my car look so much better. Then the boot that goes over that to quieten the gearbox and also keep the transmission fluid smell out of the car as well. And all the stickers they send as well. Thank you guys so much at CubeSpeed. You guys are absolute legends for sending me this stuff. So let's go install this in my car and see how it feels. So what you guys want to do is you want to remove the plastic trim. Then you get to this part here with the 4 screws. You undo that out and then this should slide straight out. Now with this gear knob, since I'm going to be putting the CubeSpeed shifter onto my R33, it's time to chuck this one into the S14. Should look nice in the S14. So what you want to do is to get this top pin out, there's a port here. You just grab a flathead like that, chuck it in that hole right there and just pull to the side and it should bend this clip right out because it's got gearbox transmission crap on it. My hands are gonna stink now. Oh, gross. So once you've got the 2 pins removed, what you want to do is you just want to leave it in neutral and just slide this sucker out like so. Simple as that. Oh dude, that smells so gross. Definitely can't wait to change this sucker out. I'm not going to put it in my car because it stinks. So to change the side springs, you can see there on the side the 2 bolts that hold the spring in place right there. I don't think I'm going to be able to change that in this video because I don't have the right size spanner for that. I'm going to assume that those are going to be very difficult to get off with the wrench. So I'm just going to wait till I get a bigger spanner because it looks to be as more than a 25mm spanner. So I'm going to have to say that for another time. And now with this spacer ring, you want to slide the stock one straight out. Oh, it's stuck on there pretty good. There we go. Grab that crap out of the way. So there's the old one. Yuck. Definitely not leaving that in my car either. You can piss off. And then we place it with the CubeSpeed one. So what you do, you grab their spacer ring and you just drop it straight in like that. Just drop it into place. Make sure it's sitting flush in there. There we go, it is sitting flush right now. So with the next stage of the part, sorry I got it all dirty because my hands are from the fluid from the gearbox. You're going to grab this, lift this cap open because that's going to sit over the short shifter. You then slide this bracket in here, push it all the way down, there we go. And then this would originally sit in there like so, like that. And then this part here would sit on top of it. So you grab this part where it shows the grooves facing inwards, if you can see that. See those grooves? You put it downwards, it sits flush in there. But we're not going to do that right now. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly put the pivot back onto the bottom of the short shifter. So to fit this at the bottom of the shifter, we're going to apply some grease on this, use the plank of wood, and then we're going to hammer it into position. Apply the grease like that. Chuck this on top here. Grab a piece of wood and just hammer it flat on. Oh my god, this wood's dirty. Shit. There we go. Cracked it into place. Don't mind the dirt. There we go. And that is how you connect it onto that, and now it won't come off. To slide this shifter in, make sure it's facing towards you. So where the stud is, make sure it's facing towards you, not that way. So this way. I'm going to slide it straight in there. It's going to be a bit tricky to find the port. It should go in. Oh, was that first try? I think that was first try. This is incredible. Holy crap. There's no way my gear, that's my gearbox now. Holy crap, this is amazing. I can't wait to actually properly install this. There is already a massive difference. And then we grab this spacer, make sure you got the inside grooves facing downwards. Pop it into place like that. I just can't believe I did that first try. So the next part is now to put the housing around. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Up next, you grab your banana clip and you put it on the side of the housing. So use the groove downwards, so that way it points down. Should fit into the side there. I have a feeling I'm going to drop it with one hand. Please don't drop it. There we go. Oh, it's pretty easy. Now we do the next one. Same thing for the other side, facing downwards. Oh, it's going to be hard with one hand. Oh, I need a filmer. Put the camera down. Use both hands. Should be easy to use two hands. This is the problem with filming and doing stuff by yourself. Filming and doing work just takes so much longer than it should. Alright, perfect. Slide them two brackets like that. Make sure they're even, so when we grab the housing, we just slide it straight on top. And when you insert the 4 grub screws around the plate, just use a bit of thread locker so they don't vibrate out of place. Locked, grab your plate, insert it above here, like so. And then we can see the banana clips, they look like they line up perfect. So all we have to do is grab the screws and we'll screw this plate into the banana clips. Do with all the 4 bolts, you want to put some thread locker on it, insert it onto the banana clip. You do that with all 4. And then you slightly tighten it onto the banana clip and make sure it's all even. I can see it gripping onto the banana clip. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten these all evenly into place. So just with every side, just do them evenly up. I should mention as well, when you do these 4 screws up around the banana clip, don't do them really tight. Just finger tight them in. And what you do next is you grab the Cube Speed plate, you put it on top, and then you line it up to the 2 holes, and then we screw them in. Man, I highly recommend this part. Look at the quality of this steel. It looks so good. It's such a shame I'm going to have to cover this up. I highly recommend going to cubespeed.com.au and get yourself a premium shop shifter kit today. Use the code CKJ10, get yourself 10% off. Once you install the rubber boot over the housing, just put the lock nut on top of the rubber boot. So grab this shifter and just screw it in by hand. So simple. Oh man, I can't wait to drive my car now and test this out. Even though I didn't change out the side springs, look at that. It still reduced the side action play. Like, look at that. There is literally no play in that, and that's using the factory spring. So when I put these springs in, they can reduce the spring rate anywhere from up to 70% to 250% or 220%, I believe. But we'll do that another time with the springs. But for now, look at that, guys. Can't wait to test this out right now. First, second, third, fourth. It is so much smoother as our system. Thank you guys again at Cube Speed for sponsoring the R33 and sending me out your premium short shifter kit. I am very, very happy with this. So now it's time to test drive this and see how it feels while driving. I couldn't figure out how to put the Cube Speed logo forward, so I'm just going to have to leave it like that for now. Driving to here, I can already tell the massive difference with this short shifter. Watch this. Already in third. That's simple. Fourth. That's simple. Downshift into third. So crazy, man. I love this, man. I should have done this in my car a long time ago. It just feels absolutely amazing, man. Look at that. It's so smooth. Look at that. There's no play in the gear stick now. It's not vibrating left to right. Can't yourself a premium short shifter kit from Cube Speed. Use the promo code CKJ10, get yourself 10% off. This feels amazing. Love it. Because it's raining, my car has like literally no traction. See? Told you guys, no traction. It feels great. Oh, these dips, man. These bloody dips. Oh, thank you guys at Cube Speed for sending me it. I really appreciate it. How amazing my car feels right now with the short shifter. Dude, my car feels so smooth. I love it. Man, I highly recommend getting yourself a premium short shifter kit from Cube Speed. Honestly, my car just feels brand new again. I'm enjoying changing gears in this car right now. Oh man, love it. I should mention my rear hiker's ball joints are like completely rooted, so my car feels very smaky right now. I'm going to change the rear ball joints in my car because they are completely gone, man. Just testing it out in like the tighter streets. It feels really nice, man. I'm really loving this short shifter kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the new video of installing the Cube Speed short shifter kit and going for that little test drive. You can already tell the massive difference from OEM to versing the Cube Speed short shifter. Like, look at that, so nice and firm, man. I'm actually really happy with this. Makes my car feel brand new as well. It's nice to drive around town in it as well. I went through some tight streets just to see how it felt changing from second to third to first to second. Felt really nice. Can't wait to take this out and actually proper try it, hitting some full speed. So there's going to be a lot of videos coming to drifting this R33, hitting over 180 kilometers an hour because I want to see how fast we can hit 180 kilometers an hour with the new engine setup. It's to all you guys that share the videos, get the name out there, and we can do more stuff like this. So thank you guys again for all the love and support. And thank you again, Cube Speed, for sponsoring the R33. Make sure to get yourself a premium short shifter kit. Use the code CKJ10 and you get yourself 10% off. All right, guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button. If you're a new viewer, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.